Homonyms uncovered, distinguishing here from here. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the realm of homonyms. Homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Often, they are also spelled differently. Today's discussion centers around two commonly confused homonyms: here and here. By the end of this video, you should be able to confidently use these words in your everyday conversations and written English. To begin with, let's understand what these two words mean. Here. This word is a verb, and it refers to the act of perceiving sound by the ear. For instance, you might say, "I can hear the birds singing outside." Here. On the other hand, here is an adverb that refers to the location where the speaker currently is, or a location close to the speaker. An example could be, "Please sit here next to me." Now, let's take a closer look at how we can use here in sentences. Remember, here is all about the sounds that your ears pick up. I can hear a car approaching. Did you hear the news about the new language app? She could not hear him because of the loud music. Next, we'll discuss how to use here correctly in your sentences. Here refers to a place or a location. The books you ordered are right here. I've lived here for 3 years. Come here, I have something to show you. To solidify our understanding, let's consider some sentences that use both words. Incorrect. I can hear the rain outside. Correct. I can hear the rain outside. Incorrect. Put the book over here. Correct. Put the book over here. Can you see the difference? It's all about sound versus location. And there you have it. The mystery behind here and here is revealed. Remember, here is related to sounds, and here is all about location. Practice using these words correctly, and soon, it will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, keep practicing and improving your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!